Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own mask at home following these easy steps. To make your mask, you will need a fabric grocery bag, scissors, ruler for the measurements, elastic and a thread if you don't want to use elastic, and lastly a thread and a sewing needle. First of all, remove the extra part of the grocery bag. Now cut open the lower part of the bag. After cutting it from the both sides like this, we have to take the measurements. You will take 8 inches of the length and 9 inches of the width. After taking the measurements, we will cut the extra part. After cutting it according to the measurements, divide it into 2 equal pieces. Now take 8 inches of the elastic, then you have to cut it down into strips. We have got strips like this. Now mark all 4 sides of the fabric before sewing. We will start stitching the sides of the fabric, but leave some spaces unstitched at the end of these sides so that we can insert the elastic and stitch it. Leave these unstitched corners at the both ends of the side. Now we have stitched all 4 sides of the fabric. Now turn the inside out from the one of these unstitched corners. Now make some folds and iron them to make a crease. Make 2 to 3 such steps and iron them. Now insert the elastics in the unstitched corners and stitch them step by step. Also sew all the foldings that were made earlier. These foldings were made in order to open up the width of the mask according to the requirement. Now stitch the other side of the elastic in the unstitched corner. Similarly, stitch the other side of the mask. Here is the final look of the mask. As you can see that it looks just like those masks that you buy from the medical store. Try these at your home and express your thoughts in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the bell button so that you can be notified. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more such informative videos.